More likely than not, we are currently facing possibly the best buying opportunity in crypto since 2023. Check out this chart. This blue line here represents the amount of Ethereum held by all exchanges. And as we can see, it has been trending way down since 2022, and it's currently at an all-time low, which means investors are buying and transferring Ethereum off of exchanges to hold in their own wallets, indicating intentions of holding for the long term. BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, is buying billions of dollars worth of Ethereum. 94% of Trump's crypto holdings are based on the Ethereum blockchain. Big banks like JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo are launching stablecoins on the Ethereum network. Huge companies like Shopify, Walmart, and Amazon are building DeFi or decentralized financial applications. Literally, the entire global financial system is transforming right before our eyes. Everyone will eventually be storing and using crypto on a daily basis. The writing is on the wall, it's inevitable, and this bull cycle is probably shaping up to be probably the biggest one yet. The moment we've all been waiting for is upon us, so we need to be aware and pay close attention so we can all reap the benefits of being early adopters. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video, we are going to explore how to take advantage of this cryptocurrency altcoin season step by step in order to increase our chances of generating a substantial amount of wealth in a relatively short period of time. Let's hit it. Please check out our sponsors, GoBabyTrade, Uphold, and Crypto Wallets, Tangent and Ledger. Stop gambling and start making money in crypto with AI. GoBabyTrade's AI-driven robotic crypto trader maximizes profits by capitalizing on market volatility. Passively, literally a set it and forget it investment strategy. See it in action in this video and join our free weekly webinar every Wednesday to learn more, which I will be live on the call this Wednesday, July 9th, so mark your calendars. Secure your wealth with Uphold, the trusted money and crypto management platform that actually holds our crypto and cash 100% reserved. It's connected to over 30 underlying exchanges, so we get the best prices for crypto on the market and can trade anything to anything. Everything is a pair with a lot more liquidity. And when we trade $100, we get $20 free and completely own, control, and protect your digital assets with cold storage hardware wallets. Tangent is perfect for beginners, affordable, setup is like 90 seconds, and it's super easy to use. And for advanced security, Ledger's Stax and Flex wallets offer cutting-edge protection at the best discounts on the market for us. So scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Cool. So there has never been a more bullish time for Ethereum. Everyone is building on it. Smart money is front-running a new all-time high, buying up tons of ETH and transferring it off of exchanges. And here's the deal. When Ethereum reaches a new all-time high, that's when altcoin season will officially pop off, and we will start seeing crypto prices going absolutely wild. 3x's, 5x's, 10x's, 100x's plus in some cases. So what's different about this time around is big global institutions are buying and they are building. All the cycles before this one, blockchain tech and crypto, were largely useless. However, now it's becoming the new foundation for the global financial system, and it's happening much faster than many of us anticipated. Still, we all need to be patient because every single person that has ever made a lot of money in crypto, we had to hold through multi-year bear markets. We had to hold through volatility. We had to hold when everyone was saying the crypto markets were dead. We had to buy when no one was buying. And the only way we can do all of this is through conviction and knowing what's on the horizon. Check this out. This is my third bull cycle. Back in 2015, through the market top out in December 2017, I watched a few $1,000s worth of crypto turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars. However, the problem was, it was all just numbers on my phone screen. Once the bull cycle flipped bearish, I watched hundreds of thousands of dollars drop all the way back down to my original investment amount and well below it. I literally only sold one of my crypto bags, made about $20,000 in profit, used it to pay off student loans, and learned one of the most important lessons in crypto: when and how to sell altcoins. Not Bitcoin. I'm personally never selling Bitcoin for reasons we've covered in previous videos. However, you've got to sell your altcoins, and that's why I did it next time around. I bought altcoins through the brutal bear market from 2018 into the next bull cycle, and then sold everything. Sold every single altcoin around May 2021 before the cycle topped out in November that same year, and everything dropped back down 90+%. So here's the secret most people don't know about cryptocurrencies. Their highest and best use, actually 99.9% of all of them, their only use is for trading. Look, I used to think crypto was about technology, being smart, identifying narratives. It's not. It's all about trading, trends, and charts, using tools to help increase our chances of buying and selling at the best time to make a profit. If you think signing up for an account with a crypto exchange, throwing money at some cryptocurrency and influencer on YouTube or X was shilling, waiting for the price to increase in order to sell later for a profit, you're going to probably lose all of your money. Even if the price does increase and you're in profit, more likely than not, You won't sell before the bull cycle ends, and you'll still lose all of your money. So we are not going to be those people, fam. However, if we don't have an edge in this market, it will eat us alive. And it's actually easier than you think. We just need to understand a few things. Bitcoin and its blockchain-based technological foundation are absolutely revolutionary and give us all a way to opt out of the old, corrupt, rigged, traditional global financial system. Amazing. Now, as for 99.9% of all the tens of thousands of altcoins, it's just a casino. These projects aren't businesses that are generating income or providing widespread valuable goods and services. And we are discussing this because the question I get asked the most is which cryptocurrencies to buy or what I think about a specific cryptocurrency. And it just simply doesn't matter. Regardless of the use case, when the prices of altcoins start going up, they all pretty much move together in a similar fashion. Last bull cycle, here's Ethereum, a layer 1 blockchain network with the most projects in activity. Sideways price action, takes off in the bull run, hits a peak, and falls. Here's Cardano, another layer 1 blockchain network. Sideways price action, takes off, hits a peak, and falls. Here's Chainlink, an oracle that facilitates getting real-world assets on-chain. Sideways, takes off, hits a peak a bit earlier than the other two, and falls. Now here's Ethereum Classic, literally a completely useless cryptocurrency, but it doesn't matter. Same price action. Sideways, takes off, hits a peak, and falls. Dogecoin, literally a joke. It's a meme. It doesn't do anything, and it doesn't matter. Same price action. Sideways, takes off, hits a peak, and falls. Look at almost any altcoin from the last bull cycle, and all the price action is extremely similar. So the most important takeaway here is since this industry is so new, so nascent, that the use case, tech, and other specific aspects of altcoins don't matter when it comes to bull cycles. Most of them will take off and peak out at around the same time. In the crypto casino, roll the dice, pick a coin, and ride it out. Take profit along the way. That's the biggest mistake most people make during bull cycles. And there are two simple tools we can use to make money during altcoin season. One, the best way to figure out when to buy and sell a cryptocurrency is with the money line chart indicator tool. It's what I use to decide when to accumulate crypto over time and when to sell it. We can get it for a huge discount using the link below. And here's how it works. Basically, when a cryptocurrency flips from a bearish trend to a bullish trend on the weekly, it's a better time to consider buying it because it likely reached a low point, and then ride the upper price action until it flips from a bullish to a bearish trend, and consider selling it because it likely reached a peak price point. So this is exactly how I use it. My altcoin picks are still the same from this video a while back, which you can check out by clicking the link above. One of them is AIOZ. And as we can see, it went from a green bullish trend to a red bearish trend back in January of 2025, and has had some nice sideways consolidation since, which is a good time to accumulate while waiting for it to flip back into a bullish trend. Or another option is to wait to buy once it turns bullish. Either way, the strategy is simple. When it's bullish, ride the green wave up until it turns red, and then sell it to take profit. Another one of my altcoin picks was Beam, and pretty much the same story. Bearish sideways consolidation, looking like it's bottomed out, decent time to start accumulating. Once it flips bullish, ride the green wave up, and when it turns red, sell and take profit. Simple and straightforward. Cool. And the second best way we can make money during altcoin season is by letting AI decide when to buy and sell our crypto for profit with GoBabyTrade, an AI-powered robotic crypto trader. I've been using it since January 2024, and it's made me more money in crypto than manually buying low and selling high. It's literally a set it forget it investment product. Sounds crazy, however, we have been undergoing an extraordinary technological revolution over the past few decades, since the dawn of the internet, smartphones, landing rockets on platforms in the ocean, ChatGPT, and now with hyperacceleration and exponential growth engines with artificial intelligence, we can compete on par with big players and dollar cost average into the best possible prices over the long term with GoBabyTrade. We can capitalize on the volatility of the crypto markets at large, just like big institutional and professional traders, and make passive income. Here's the deal. When we log into our Coinbase account to buy, sell, and trade crypto, we see basic price information like right here. We can see the current price of Bitcoin, which is also referred to as the best price as it relates to the best bid price, which is the highest buy price, the best ask price, the lowest sell price, and the last traded price. And this is called Level 1 data, which is free and widely available to everyone on Level 1 screens, which is our trading dashboard on crypto exchanges. So as the term Level 1 suggests, there is deeper market data used by institutional and professional investors called Layer 2 data, which is accessed on Level 2 screens. And it gives them real-time access to the order book for cryptocurrencies, where in addition to seeing the best price available to us, they can also see pending buy and sell orders at various price levels, along with how many tokens are involved in the orders, which makes them privy to the overall market's supply and demand beyond just the current price. For example, on a level 1 screen, if the best ask price is $10 for an order of just one token, and on the level 2 screen, there is an order for 100 tokens at $11, and an order for 200 tokens at $12, we have a way more accurate picture of potential price movements. So basically, institutional and professional players can see the depth of the market, which means they know how many orders exist at each price level, and this lets them, 1, spot large orders that could move the market, like a big buy order at a higher price, signaling potential price increases. 2, anticipate price changes by seeing if there are more buy or sell orders, helping them time their trades better. And 3, understand liquidity, helping them avoid situations where there aren't enough buyers or sellers, which can affect trade execution. For example, they may see many buy orders above the current price, so they buy knowing that the price is more likely than not to increase, while we, retail investors, miss the gains or in other cases are left holding their bags. We're up against big players that know exactly what's going on in the market. So in crypto, we can actually access level 2 data with Coinbase and Coin API. However, realistically, what are we going to do with it? Sit at our computer for hours watching trading data trying to compete with institutional and professional traders? Not realistic. Even if we started learning how to trade right now, 1 year from now, we have 1 year of experience. 5 years from now, we have 5 years of experience, while up against decades of trading experience. Just now, today. So, GoBabyTrade evens the playing field and gives us an institutional level edge as an AI-enhanced robotic crypto trader that has been trained with over 25 years of level 2 market data. That was programmed by one of the first employees at Microsoft with over 50 years of programming experience. Again, I've been using it since last January, and like many others since we first explored it together back in August after personally, rigorously vetting and testing it out, everyone has been making more money from the crypto markets than just buying and selling altcoins with GoBabyTrade. Also, more recently, at the beginning of this year in 2025, I started using it to dollar cost average into amazing Bitcoin price points. To learn more about how that function works, check out this video guide by clicking the link above. And actually, from our weekly webinars every Wednesday, many of y'all have started using it to DCA into other cryptos like XRP, which is awesome. So if you're extremely skeptical like I was, join us on our webinars every week on Wednesday, except holidays, where we walk through every aspect of the trader, answering any and all questions we may have, and basically gather all the information we would need to determine if it's something that makes sense for our unique financial situation. Scroll down and sign up for the next one. I will be live on it July 9th, so mark your calendars. I'll see you there. And if you haven't yet, ditch traditional banks and risky crypto exchanges with Uphold, a wealth management platform that keeps our crypto and cash 100% backed, 1-to-1. We can get 4.5% APY in an FDIC Insured US dollar savings account. That only takes 60 seconds to sign up, and it's connected to over 30 underlying exchanges, which means we get the best possible prices for crypto. Everything is a trading pair, so we can trade anything to anything. And when we trade our first $100, we get $20 free. And please secure and completely own your Bitcoin and digital assets with cold storage hardware wallets. Tangent is perfect for beginners. It's the most affordable and easy to use crypto wallet. It takes only 90 seconds to set up. Literally anyone can use it. And for advanced protection, Ledger, Stax, and Flex wallets deliver top-tier security with the best discounts on the market using the links below. So scroll down to check everything out and redeem all the special offers they have for us. Awesome. If you would like to learn more about how we can all start making passive profits with GoBabyTrade, check out this video. If you would like to explore how and why Uphold is a way better and safer option for storing our money and managing crypto than banks and exchanges, check out this video. And to sign up for a free Uphold account, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.